Every color registration, a pursuit of perfection. Every impression, flawlessly aligned. Mastery within millimeters, a dance between color and machinery. Fangbang Machinery, over 30 years of dedication to R&D and manufacturing of printing and packaging equipment. In 2020, Uji Company was established to accelerate global strategic deployment and expand market reach. Innovation breathes endless life into ink. It is industrial intelligence that drives industry transformation and manufacturing upgrades. It is algorithmic breakthroughs that make printing and packaging more efficient. It is robust technical foundations that simplify complex printing processes. From the fine crafting of micro-components to the powerful roar of complete machines. Fangbang continuously delivers one-stop printing solutions, from R&D and manufacturing to installation, training, and maintenance. We define printing precision with professionalism and build a robust, intelligent manufacturing system with cutting-edge technology. Over 30 years of experience and technological innovation have enabled us to continuously optimize product structures and strictly control quality, actively promoting the upgrade and transformation of high-end printing equipment. Successfully overcoming multiple high-speed, high-precision printing challenges and earning numerous patents. We always put customer needs first and uphold quality as our top priority, delving into every detail, pursuing ultimate performance, turning every innovation into reality, crafting each machine with the heart of a master. With unwavering dedication for over 3 decades, with ever-evolving products, time-tested reliability, and continuous innovation. Fangbang has transformed from a single equipment supplier into a comprehensive solutions provider. Our professional team is always on standby, serving a world of possibilities alongside global clients. And we will always stand at the starting point of every machine we build, doing everything we can just to empower a more outstanding you. Within every inch, the world is wrapped Fangbang Machinery.